Hello trader. Technical analysis continues to be profitable, because most of the binary options platform work on it. Indicators are time-tested and enable beginners to trade using simple strategies such as Walker. To start trading on the vfxalert website, select the license that suits you. Or free signals with limited functions available immediately after registration. Then download and install the program for your computer. You can trade on recommended brokers or add your in the program settings. Let's move on to strategy and signals. The strategy uses three technical indicators. Exponentials, moving averages with periods 35. Trend indicators, by which we determine the opening point of the option. The strategy is not intended for trading during flat periods. We trade only if the range is between at least 15 to 25 points. MACD with standard settings. This indicator works both as a trend and as an oscillator instrument. RSI with a period of 14 and an additional level of 70 and 30. Trend indicators must necessarily be confirmed by at least one oscillator indicating an overbought. When buyers can no longer move the price up, or oversold where there is almost no one in the market to sell at lower prices. So it will be the final signal to open an option. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Up call option. The price is above the moving average or breaks out from the bottom up. MACD is above the zero level, RSI is moving towards the overbought zone, level 70. Down put option. Opposite signals. Key price breaks the moving average from top to bottom or moves below. MACD is below zero, RSI reversed to oversold zone, level 30. The amount can also determine depending on the strength of the signal adaptive strategy vfxalert. The first option is on the euro-dollar. The price started moving down from the moving average. You can wait for the next candle to confirm the trend. But we will open on oscillators. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable options and no losses. Exponentials, moving averages, is good at defining the current trend, but should only be used with oscillators. The reliability of signals can be increased by going to a longer time frame. But on the minute strategy gives 70 to 80% of the right signals. Large candles in the continuation of the downtrend. Expiration should be profitable. 30 seconds before expiration. The price is far from the opening level, the option is in the money. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Euro-yen. Uptrend is long enough, the price is far from the moving average and starts to reverse. RSI is leaving the overbought zone. Open the second down option on confirmation from vfxalert. We will open only one option at a time, so as not to get a big loss. After a strong trend, the RSI, like any other overbought and oversold oscillator, can tread in critical areas or near the 50 level for a long time without crossing it. At the same time, the EMA can give strong signals to open options. Whether to accept these trading signals into operation or not Everyone should decide for himself, but it is still better for beginners to wait for a fully formed entry point. The price goes down to moving average. A reversal at the very beginning, there may be a trend slowdown, while the option is in the money. The price is near the opening level. Moving even 1 point from the opening price can complete the option with a profit. The second option is a plus again. Strong signal for the strategy for the third down option. The price breaks the moving average from top to bottom. MACD is below the zero level. RSI is heading towards the overbought zone. It is recommended not to trade during periods of low volatility. When the price movements end quickly, corrections and losses on signals begin. We always open up in the direction of the main trend. We do not trade on the output of strong fundamental news and statistics. Technical analysis stops working, the signals are false. The price went up. Perhaps this is just a quick correction, we are waiting for the uptrend return. Expiration soon. The price reversed against the direction of the option. Far enough from the opening level. This is a cross pair, a quick pullback is possible. There is still time. The option is at a loss far from the opening level. We are waiting for expiration and the next signals. Euro-yen again. A good uptrend signal. The price has broken through the moving average from the bottom up. The MACD is above the zero level. RSI to the overbought zone. First, we look at the volatile cross pairs that contain the yen. If you are going to trade majors, it is recommended not to open options during the Asian session, when the market is quiet. You can also use average true range as an auxiliary indicator. It shows well the cyclical growth and fall of volatility. The highest volatility of the pair in the European session. The price is near the opening level, above the moving average. Oscillators indicate a continuation of the uptrend. We are waiting for expiration. The option is in profit. To fully compensate for the loss, you need another profitable option. The average strength of the signal for the euro-dollar. If the price turned far from the moving average down in the first transaction, here the reverse conditions are. Reversal on new trend with confirmation of the oscillators and vfxalert. The second up option. If the option is profitable, we end the trading session. If you look carefully at the chart, you will see that almost always, the conditions for options do not occur simultaneously and there is a gap between the signals. Wait or still enter at the first signs of a reversal. Which indicator will be the leading signal? There is no definite answer, it all depends on the current situation. But if you are a beginner, you need to wait for all the conditions of the strategy to be fulfilled. The rollback ends, the price is near the opening level. The uptrend is trying to continue. While the situation is unclear, even 1 point may be enough to close with a profit. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than in 42 minutes, $178 or plus of 2% per deposit. It is the very good result.